want to feel that we're stable here. When we go back, the hip's going to go this way a little bit. We're here, see that?
Yep.
Now, from here, we got to go there. We don't want to go here.
Yeah.
All right? So when you take this club up here, and now when you throw it down with these hands, and you're bringing it down pretty fast with these hands, you have a tendency to do that. So you want the arms to feel straight. From here, down into it on this side. So it'll be something like this.
All right.
Once again, give me a chance.
Those mechanics are I'm just going to have to practice that. Yeah.
So we want to go from here to here to there. So when you get to impact, you want to feel that you're here. Now, the drill is, this is the backswing. As we go forward, we're going to feel like we're just leaning on this a little bit.
Yep.
And then when we come through, we got to stay in our height, right? Same height.
Mm-hmm.
So when we release this club through here, we're going to feel like we want to get to this position. The hips, the knee, the shoulder, we want to have .90 degrees.
All right.
See that? See where the head is?
Yep.
See the club?
It's in parallel with you.
Yeah. That's where you want to be. And you still have to be in your, this is your inclination to the ball. This is your tilt.
Yeah.
Because if I just came back to the dress, I'd be right here, right?
Right.
There's the finish.
Mm-hmm.
Here, there.
That's the thing he called bump. Is that what?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. The bump is this way.
All right.
Come back, you'll notice he's got a little flex in his knees. This one straightens a little bit.
Yeah.
But when he comes off the ground, he goes into this rotation from here to there. That rotation that he does right there.
And that little bit of movement right there is what gets the last little bit of power, is what you said?
Well, absolutely, because when you do that, when you do this, when you're extending this side up, your head doesn't raise. This side of your body raises up a little bit, but the right side goes down.
And the club head's still back over here.
And the club head, it goes bang right into the back.
The club head's still back over here.
That's exactly right.
Okay.
And the force,
all right.
the force, these are forces, opposing forces. So if the force is that I'm springing off here and I'm extending up, this side's coming down.
All right.
So when this side comes down, watch this, it comes down with a vengeance. Imagine if the ball was right there.
Yeah. Well, I've noticed when I hit it the best, I actually have a feeling of it's just like I'm ripping through there, and the ball goes.
Yeah, that's because the
is that what's termed position? Is that what's called compression?
Well, yeah. When you
compress
it, you feel it compress, because if
I feel like something kind of got in front of the club and kind of squeezed up.
That's compressed.
And so what you did was right in there, that ball got whooshed, and then get released.
So as I make the circle here, the shoulders turn here, right, a little bit.
Yeah.
As I go this way, and as this leg starts to straighten out, this shoulder comes down. As this shoulder comes down, this belt goes higher on this side, and my back feels like I'm extending this way.
Yeah.
And the reason that's important is because if I'm going to extend that way, look where my shoulder turn happened. It happened right over the ball. So if I start right here, my backswing goes right here, I come into impact, my other end of the shoulder turn has to finish here. Because remember what the shoulders are turning in a circle around a steady post, right?
Yes, yes.
So they're going from here to there. They can't go over here.
Yeah.
They got to stay right here. So that's why we take this club and we do this with it. We hold it like this. You get the face lined up. So when you're coming through the shot, see the face now? There's the face. It's right where it's supposed to be. See that?
That's square. That's right now. That's square to the target line.
See that?
Yeah. Okay.
Pow! Right there.
Yeah. All right.
Okay.
Yep. Yeah.
This bump, everything's moving with the bump. See that?
Mm-hmm.
The bump doesn't happen up here by itself. It happens as this first beginning of under rotation into impact happens. So as this shoulder starts to go, the bump happens. See, so the club is up here.
Yeah.
That's the bump. See that?
Yeah.
The club, the angle is going to stay within the hands, and the head, everything's going to start to move together. This isn't going to happen.
Nope.
You're going to hang on to it here.
Yep.
But as you start to move this club down into where you're going to extend through, see that extension through?
Yeah.
As you start to come down with it here, you got this little bit of it's all moving together. See that?
Yeah.